Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an exciting, full-throttle comparison of two of the most highly anticipated luxury vans of the upcoming model year, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter and the 2026 Volvo Motorhome. Whether you're a seasoned van life explorer, a digital nomad looking for your next mobile command center, or simply someone captivated by the intersection of design, technology, and adventure, this showdown is something you absolutely cannot miss. This isn't just about vans anymore. It's about rethinking how we travel, live, and experience freedom on four wheels. So buckle up, because what we're about to show you could change how you think about road trips forever. Let's kick things off with the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, a name already iconic among commercial vehicles, camper conversions, and high-end shuttle fleets. But forget everything you knew about the Sprinter. The 2026 model is not just an evolution. It's a total reinvention. Starting at the front, Mercedes has traded the traditionally boxy and utilitarian design for a sleeker, more aerodynamic silhouette. Gone is the blunt nose and industrial vibe. Instead, what we see is a sculpted front fascia that rivals luxury SUVs, sharp, precise lines, integrated air inlets, and a hood that flows seamlessly into the windshield. Dominating the front is the iconic Mercedes TriStar logo, centered proudly within a newly designed blacked-out grille that's now wider, more aggressive, and framed by angular vents designed to optimize airflow and improve fuel efficiency. And then there are the headlights, all new LED units that don't just enhance visibility, but make a bold statement with their razor-sharp styling. Swinging around to the sides and rear, Mercedes continues its refined approach to functionality. The roofline is more tapered and aerodynamic, subtly increasing fuel economy and reducing wind noise. Redesigned vertical tail lights now feature LED technology as well, extending gracefully up the corners of the rear for both improved safety and visual drama. A high-mounted third brake light adds to its visibility, especially for taller vehicles on the highway. The rear cargo doors open wide, making it ideal for those planning modular interior conversions. Mercedes has even incorporated camper-specific enhancements, like upgraded rear steps, integrated bike mounts, an exterior storage compartment for gear, tools, or even a propane tank, all seamlessly blended into the van's minimalist rear aesthetic. But the real transformation happens once you step inside. This is where the 2026 Sprinter starts feeling less like a van and more like a mobile luxury suite on wheels. The driver's area, once purely functional, now resembles a high-end SUV cabin. A dual-screen MBUX infotainment system dominates the dashboard, complete with touch controls, voice commands, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and seamless 3D navigation. The materials? Premium leather, brushed aluminum, and soft-touch plastics in all the right places. The seating position is ergonomically refined with added lumbar support for those long hours on the road. And the attention to acoustics, thanks to noise-insulating glass and cabin ceiling, creates a remarkably quiet driving experience. Now, let's move to the living quarters, because that's where this vehicle transcends its commercial DNA. Mercedes is clearly focused on the van life market, offering factory-ready camper configurations and compatibility with leading upfitters. Step behind the cockpit and you will find a space designed to flex between comfort and utility. Modular seating, plush fabrics, and ambient LED lighting create a modern yet cozy atmosphere. There's room for lounging, dining, working remotely, or just soaking in the view through panoramic windows. In the rear section, you'll find the dedicated sleeping area. Depending on your chosen configuration, the 2026 Sprinter offers either a fold-out queen-sized bed or two twin beds, both with memory foam mattresses, built-in USB-C ports, reading lights, and climate control vents. It's a true bedroom on wheels. The kitchen is compact but brilliantly designed. An induction cooktop, a microwave/oven combo, a deep stainless steel sink with a filtered water system, and a dual-zone mini fridge with freezer. Everything is optimized for efficiency without sacrificing style. Under the hood, Mercedes gives you multiple powertrain options. First, a robust turbocharged diesel engine, ideal for long hauls and towing. Then, a plug-in hybrid for those who want the best of both worlds. And for the first time in Sprinter history, an all-electric variant, the e-Sprinter, with an extended range thanks to a high-density lithium-ion battery pack. Horsepower ranges from 190 to 250 depending on configuration, and you can opt for an in-speed automatic transmission or go full 4x4 with Mercedes all-wheel drive system. Perfect for off-road adventures or snowy mountain passes. As for pricing, while Mercedes hasn't officially confirmed numbers, leaks suggest a starting MSRP of around $58,000 for the base model. Fully outfitted camper versions, especially those integrating EV technology and luxury packages, could easily climb past $125,000 and possibly even $150,000. Production is slated for late Q3 2025, with pre-orders opening in select markets around November. General availability in showrooms is expected by early 2026. Now, if the Sprinter is the refined, versatile king of the road, then the 2026 Volvo Motorhome is the regal castle on wheels. Let's talk about this beast. And believe me, beast is not an overstatement. Built from the ground up on a reinforced Volvo XC90 platform with an extended wheelbase, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome redefines what we can expect from a mobile living experience. This is not just a conversion van. It's a luxury residence engineered for the open road. Starting at the front, the Volvo design language is instantly recognizable. The grille, bold, upright, and assertive, is larger than ever and framed by the signature Thor's Hammer LED headlights that sweep backward with a majestic arc. The hood is sculpted and muscular, hinting at the power beneath while maintaining the brand's minimalist elegance. Aerodynamic body lines flow across the front bumper and windshield, designed to cheat the wind and enhance energy efficiency. Chrome accents around the integrated fog lamps add a splash of luxury, while high-mounted driving lights ensure safety in all conditions. Swinging to the rear, the Volvo Motorhome continues its sophisticated yet practical approach. Vertical LED tail lights stretch elegantly along the rear corners, giving it that distinct Scandinavian presence. A high-definition rear-view camera and parking sensors come standard, making reversing this giant a stress-free process. The wide rear hatch is perfect for access to storage or maintenance panels, and optional features like a retractable bike rack or motorized awning make this a dream setup for outdoor living. The dual-tone paint and subtle Volvo branding tie the whole exterior package together in a way that's simultaneously luxurious and utilitarian. Now let's step into the cockpit, a space designed not just for driving, but for commanding a mobile lifestyle. The driver's seat is wrapped in buttery soft Nappa leather, fully adjustable with memory functions. The 12.9-inch digital cluster displays everything from real-time speed and navigation to unique motorhome metrics. Think water tank levels, battery usage, solar input, and more. Volvo's safety suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking, ensures that no matter how far you roam, you're wrapped in a cocoon of intelligent protection. But the real magic unfolds as you move beyond the driver's seat into the living area. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome is essentially a boutique hotel on wheels. Rich wooden flooring, ambient LED lighting, and oversized panoramic windows create an open, airy space that defies the limitations of its size. The lounge area is furnished with plush, modular seating that converts into dining or entertainment zones. A hidden projector system and retractable screen make movie nights under the stars feel like private theater experiences. In the bedroom, Volvo has worked miracles. A queen-size bed is hidden within a sliding mechanism that retracts during the day to maximize space. At night, it glides out effortlessly with the push of a button, revealing a memory foam mattress, underbed storage, customizable LED reading lights, and even integrated aromatherapy diffusers. Its comfort elevated to first-class levels. The kitchen is a masterstroke of intelligent design. Compact yet complete, it features a premium induction cooktop, a smart microwave oven combo, a deep stainless steel sink with a motion-sensing faucet, and ample cabinetry with soft closed doors. A digital panel allows you to monitor food storage conditions, water pressure, and even suggest recipes based on what's in the fridge. Powering all this opulence is a twin-motor all-electric drivetrain, pushing out an estimated 500 horsepower and 680 newton-meters of torque. This isn't just fast for a motorhome, it's groundbreaking. The extended chassis is mated to an advanced air suspension system, delivering an ultra-smooth ride over highways, forest trails, or desert terrain. It's whisper-quiet, vibration-free, and boasts an expected real-world range of over 300 miles on a full charge, thanks to a high-capacity battery pack integrated into the floor. And as for pricing, well, luxury isn't cheap. While Volvo has yet to confirm official numbers, analysts predict a starting MSRP in the ballpark of $185,000 to $220,000, depending on features and customizations. The reveal is expected at the Geneva Motor Show in March 2026, with pre-orders opening shortly thereafter. Deliveries are planned for Q4 2026, with limited availability in select regions across Europe and North America. So here we are, standing at the crossroads of two automotive philosophies. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, modern, refined, versatile, and tailor-made for both business and van life enthusiasts. And on the other side, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome, bold, luxurious, all-electric, and crafted for those who want nothing less than a five-star suite on the move. Which one speaks to your soul? The high-tech efficiency and flexibility of the Sprinter, or the opulent Scandinavian minimalism and futuristic performance of the Volvo? Let us know in the comments below which dream machine you'd choose for your next epic road journey. And if you love this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell, because next week, we're diving into the 2026 Toyota Voxy and how it's changing the future of smart family travel. Until then, drive safe, dream big, and keep chasing the horizon.